writing a research title. Gaano ba kahalaga ito sa ating study? Paggawa ng research title, number one, it must be original. Sa clear, specific, or concise. Example, effect of online gaming on or in academic performance of selected ABM students in anong school yung ilalagay mo doon? Carmona Senior High School. Okay, school year 2021-2022. So, naging specific ba siya? From general, okay, na online gaming at academic performance, nagiging original siya at specific kasi meron ka ng particular na lugar at mga tao na pag-aaralan. Kung hindi ABM students, TEMBA or ICT students, cause or nakaka-apekto, independent variable yan ha, doon sa academic performance ng mga selected students. Okay? Ang epekto nga, ano ang resulta ng grade? In English classes. Okay? Presidential election result. So malalawak sila. A correlation study on the use of blended learning in freshman English classes and student achievement. The impact of agribusiness on the Philippine